Me, Emily, and Calvin are going to the reservation today. We want to shoot and do like a vlog type of thing. It was Emily's idea. Emily is on her way right now. It is very cold.
Oh my god.
Hello?
Hello? I'll link down for you.
Next one, which one?
Emily said, let's do something vloggy.
Yeah.
It feels like 20 degrees right now.
Like I feel
Guys, my phone's going off. Isn't that
Now
crazy?
we're really vlogging.
we're linking arms.
I'm not gonna skip.
I hate you.
Who's behind us?
Max, can you link arms with me on the other side though, so I'm not cold?
Focus, please. No, we could climb up this tree right here if you want.
Oh, there it is. Is that it?
No, it's way bigger. It's over there.
Okay, cool.
But we could climb up this way, or we could go on the path, which is way less fun.
Let's go that way.
Ooh.
What do you want to do?
I want to climb that tree.
Hey, Mom, shut the fuck up.
Exactly the same.
They're very similar.
It's the fucking shot.
The best camera is the one you have with you. You gonna climb it, or? That is just ice.
Hi, Max. No.
Oh, see? Ta-da!
Thank you.
So, we're going to the waterfall? It's up this way. And my hands, I gave Calvin my gloves, but I don't know if it was worth it. I'm fine. I should have just bought thinner gloves. I own a pair. I'm just like, I'll be fine with these. I can't press any of the buttons. So, I'll put my hands in my pockets, I guess. If you guys want to take some portraits, I got my 50mm lens.
We're climbing. Oh, is this? Wait, I'm gonna go on the bench and put it out.
Okay, I need to put this back around my neck so I can put my hands in my pockets. Hold on, wait, Calvin. I know, but it was nothing yesterday. You were here then. What?
Touché. I've got to be at school by 5:30.
What happens if you're late?
I shouldn't be.
So we took some photos.
I'm cold.
Doing more exploring. We're all cold.
I gotta pee also.
Why don't you go pee on a tree? You can do that.
I'm not whipping my dick out in this temperature.
Why will it freeze?
No.
I don't want it to. I don't want
It
to be
won't
cold.
freeze,
I know it won't freeze. I know it won't freeze. I just don't
Will
want
your
it to be
pee
cold.
just come out like icicles?
That'd be funny, but no.
Fun
That'd also
fact.
probably hurt.
Pee comes out in droplets.
I knew that. Alright, let's keep.
Oh, here we go. I have 2 spare batteries. She doesn't have any spares.
I know.
What a fucking loser.
Got some fingerprints on that lens.
I know, there's some fingerprints on this one. Forgot my phone! Fuck! I set up a time lapse. Then I forgot it. Fuck me, man. I went through so many iPhones. I was really just gonna leave it.
Yeah, you were.
Oh, god damn it. Calvin, is it there? Yeah? Okay, cool. This time lapse, it better be fucking fantastic.
Your phone fell.
Really?
Yeah, it was behind the rock like the whole time.
Fuck. So it fell.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is definitely good enough. Also, even when it fell, it just got a different angle. Emily's waiting for us somewhere that way.
So tell us what just happened.
So I set my phone up to do a time lapse on the rock. We walked away. Forgot it. It fell. It just got a different angle though. So I have 2 time lapses. I want to pre-apologize for the audio being absolute garbage during this part because of the waterfall.
That perky ass.
On cliff. We're waiting for a ride in the parking lot. There are no other cars here. It's just us. Calling your mom there?
It's cold.
Yes. Temperature? Let's see. It is
Currently,
29, feels like 19.
Are you flipping on it?
Can't hear it.
Oh, it's warm. It's filming today.
We're vlogging. Going here. Alright, we're back.
we are here. Good use.
Yep. I typically do this process alone.
Well, I'm here, so.
Yeah. I don't work well with others.